students coming in from multiple locations and educational backgrounds will be exposed to a variety of diversity, cultures, languages, disciplines, and most importantly, perspectives.
Perspectives can come from different events, panel discussions, and sessions like
Law enforcement,
judicial,
jurisdiction,
civil rights.
Students will also get a chance to learn about different G20 countries through fun games, events. They'll also get to know about different national anthems, dances, folk songs, food, flags. In short, art and cultures of all the G20 countries.
Apart from the strategic seminars being delivered by the delegates, there is also a student festival organized at Pune.
There are several competitions being conducted, including
Poster competition,
musical contest.
cultural show,
Above all, students will get a wholesome exposure to the theme Peacebuilding and Reconciliation, ushering in an era of no war. So,
join us on 25th February at IIM Raipur.